Hi guys, okay, hands are clean. I'm back for number 3. We'll do this, use a different tool than the one that's got the black all over it. This one, the paint's a little thicker. And it's still an 8x10 canvas, so I can still use a lot less paint than what I was using. And I'm going to do another pour, just a straight pour. So let's get the bubbles out of my canvas. All right. Let's see. We'll start with some white. And we're going to add white to my cup. And I'm actually going to just kind of pour it in because my paints are real thin. And I know they're thin. I'm probably going to use some extra colors. And then we're going to put the yellow in. And I'm just going to, like I said, I'm going to layer it a little differently. I'm actually going to go in 2 different spots. See what we get when we do that. Let's do with the lavender on top of that yellow. Okay. I'm going to put some purple in. Like I said, I'm going to use a few other colors, but still in the same ranges. I'm going to use some actual gold. I'm just going to layer a little gold on there. And then on top of that gold, I'll use the green. I'm going to put a little of that black on top of there. And on top of the black, I'll put a little white, a little more white. The white sinks. The white's pretty heavy color. It sinks. Kind of funky that way. And we're going to add some more of the green. We'll add the rest of the green. And we'll add the rest of the yellow. Turn the cup a little bit. There's the rest of the yellow. On top of the yellow, we're going to go ahead and add the gold. Then we'll do lavender. Set this down. Let me scrape the rest of this lavender out of here. This will be the last one I do today. So I'm trying to use up all this paint. I'll add the rest of this. I'm doing it this way because I want to do one special thing for somebody. See if it comes out right. Put that yellow there. Put in this little bit of green here. And just a little bit more of the black so I can get a definition. Then I'm going to put in the gold, some more gold. And then I'm going to finish it off with the last of the actual purple. And there goes the last of my metallic purple. All right. This one I'm just going to do a straight pour. I'm not going to try to do a ring pour or anything. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour it from right here. I'm just going to start slowly. See how it looks in my cup? Cup looks kind of funky, so it might have gotten a little muddy. I'm hoping it didn't, but I'm just going to start slowly pouring. And we're just going to pour. What I am going to do is I am going to kind of turn it. My paint's too thin, I'm pretty sure. So it's starting to, yeah. Because I used the paint that I had made for the other stuff, it's too thin for this. So it's not going to come out right, it's just pouring right off the canvas. This will probably be a canvas that I recoat. Maybe not. We never know. I'm going to leave that little bit of negative space up there, that white, and that white down here. Let's see if I can't fill in here with some of this color that we dumped off. And get those edges. All right, so let's torch it and see what it actually looks like, because it may not be so bad. Look at those cells popping out. That's pretty cool. That's not half bad. And the things you can get by accident are quite remarkable. So, there's my third one for today. I did all three of these, all three different looks, looking the exact same colors, other than the fact that I did add the white to this one, and I did add the gold. But other than that, it had all the exact same colors as the other two. I'm going to take this over there, and then I'm going to get you down, and I'm going to show you all of them in much better light. Okay, let me wipe off my hands real quick. Then I'll take it down and I'll show you what they look like. Good thing paint's not that expensive, because I wasted a lot today. All right. So let's come over here. So this is the last one I did. I love it in this, now that I can see it in the light. I'm actually digging this one. Look at all those colors in there. One actually came out pretty cool. Okay, but here, this one looks like a flower, which is kind of what I wanted. We'll get down here and let you see. You can still see some green in there and some yellow. Green and yellow around there. So on the sides and some of the edges, you can definitely see the green and yellow. Then you've got the purple and the white and the different cells forming in there. And then kind of like stamens in the middle, that gold, that yellow there. This one, I probably had too much black on it. We'll see how it starts to dry. You can still see a little bit of that green in there. Sorry for the glare. But it actually looks pretty cool. Like I said, we'll see how it looks as it starts to dry. And then we'll determine what, if anything, we want to do with it. Thank you, Lindsay. All right, thank you everybody for watching. And have a good day and a good weekend. Bye.